Welcome. In front of me is a VODAFONE Smart Platinum 7, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now obviously you can see that the phone in front of me is locked, and I would have to use the Google account to unlock it. And assuming we don't know it, we're going to go back to the Wi-Fi connection right over here, and what you want to do is select the add another network. Then in the SSID, just simply type in random gibberish. It doesn't really matter what you type in. It just matters that there is some text. From there, you will be able to select it. From here, let's tap on the three dots and go to Assist. Give it a second, and this will open up Google. So let's select No Thanks. And in the search, you want to type in Chrome. So as you can see, there is the suggested Chrome as an application. Click on it and this will open up the web browser. From here, accept and continue, and no thanks, we don't want to sync. And then at the top, you want to tap on the search bar and navigate to HardReset.Info. Like so. Once you're on the site, tap on the three bars right over here and then choose the download category. That's consent. And from the download search bar, you want to type in Android 8. Like so, and simply search for it. It should give us only one option, so there it is, a Google account protection bypass and Android 8 application. So tap on the download right here, scroll down, and when you see the download link right over here, you want to hold it and choose open in incognito tab. Now we do it this way so there is no problem with the download. Sometimes if you try to normally download it, it gets to 100% and just never finishes for some reason. It's just some kind of bug, and opening it up in incognito just literally removes that problem. So from here, we're going to tap on update permissions, then allow, confirm it, and let it download. Now once it's downloaded, you want to tap on open, then tap on the file itself, and we will need to grant Chrome access to actually install unknown sources. So let's go into the settings, select unknown sources, confirm it, go back and tap on it once more, and this time we can install it. Now when it's done installing, you then want to simply open it up. So let's select open, and from here we're going to start off with account or Google Account Manager APK install. Select for version 6.0 and again install. Click on done, and now tap on bypass FRP and select browser sign in. Tap on the three dots and again select browser sign in. And here, log in with your Google account. Now, if you don't have a Google account, you can always create one. It's completely free. You also might not feel comfortable using your actual Google account for this, so that is also an option. So from here, I'm just gonna use my account. I won't be creating a new one, but you are free to use your existing account or create a one if you want, just for this purpose here. So now I'm going to put in a password for it. No, I apparently wrote it wrong. There we go. So as you can see, once you log in, it automatically goes back, and from here all we need to do is hold the power key and select restart. Okay, so now that the device booted back up, let's again progress through the setup. And here you can see information that account was added. Now I didn't really add any account apart from the one from the bypass, as you've seen, before I rebooted the device. Now this is also the screen that would previously tell us to verify the Google account. Now we can just simply skip it. Now if it has some kind of problem proceeding further, you could go back, for instance, and try it again. If that doesn't help, we can always try to reboot the device once more. So as you see, I just disconnected from Wi-Fi and it allows me to skip it. Now I'm also going to do one more thing and set up a pattern. That is just in case. So I'm going to set up a pattern. This will add, if it's not really unlocked at the moment, this will add me a way to bypass it anyway by just simply inserting a pattern. So I'm going to select next. Let's see, I should be able to finish up the setup right now. So it looks like the key part right there was just to disconnect from Wi-Fi once it realizes that, well, account was added. Now once you have done that, what you want to do is go into the settings. So let's find settings. Oh, there we go. And from the settings, you want to go all the way down to backup and reset, and then select factory data reset. Now performing this will remove the Google account that we have added, and it will also remove everything else from the device. That will include whatever information there was that was previously blocking us from finishing the setup. Now this info is still on the device, so performing a reset from here will basically remove it. Let's confirm the pattern. At least I have set one. If you didn't, then you shouldn't be in any need to confirm it. Then erase everything and the process will now finish up. Now this will go through the full reset of the device, and once it's finished we will be then back in the setup screen, but at that point the device will be fully unlocked. Okay, so as you can see, now the reset has finished, so we can go through the setup once more. Now this time around I'm going to be skipping basically everything that I can. Number one, Wi-Fi connection, not needed anymore. Now you can connect if you want to, I just chose to skip it. And there we go. As you can see, the process is now completely finished, and we didn't actually need to do anything extra. And right now the device is fully unlocked. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.